Here is a quick look at how we prepare and load a machine for delivery at Coast Machinery Group. We begin with a full inspection, then secure the machine and add a protective wrap to keep it clean and safe for transport. You can see how much coordination goes into moving a machine this size. Every lift and adjustment has to stay steady and controlled. Once the machine is positioned and secured on the truck, it is ready for the trip. Clean, smooth, and safely handled. We always finish by tarping the load with commercial trucker tarps. Every machine is delivered as a direct load to the client, so no cross-docking takes place at any depot. If you enjoy seeing how we handle our deliveries, you can explore more and check available machinery at coastmachinery.com.